If you want to replace the body control module in your Ford Fiesta or check the connections, you will need to take out this glove box. I will just lower it for now. And then you will need to look here and see that black box with the blue connection. This is your body control module. It's not hard to take it out, but before you do this, you need to know that these body control modules, they are Bosch body control modules, and they almost never fail. So whatever problems you have with them, you will most likely need to reprogram these body control modules, or alternatively to check the fuse in the under bonnet, under hood fuse box, and probably you will solve the problem with this module. Reprogramming them in the Ford dealership will cost you money, but it's not that much money, so it's cheaper than replacing this body control module. And anyway, if you replace this body control module in your Ford Fiesta, you will need to reprogram it anyway. So try reprogramming it. It almost never fails. It's almost never the culprit of your problems.